was close to you, now just stand apart. What we had is lost like a broken heart. Dreams we built now crumble and fall, like the sun setting, no light at all. Once we were high, now we're low and far. Everything's gone like a fading star. Late night talks we chat till dawn. Now all that left is silent drown. You shared your fears, I shared my soul, but now I'm drowning, losing control. You promised forever a love so strong, but forever's light didn't last long. We danced in rain, love through the storm, but now it's just me, my heart torn. I gave you my all, I gave you my best, but now I'm just broken, confined rest. Why did we fall apart? Where did you go wrong? Our love was a melody, but it was too long. What happened to the promises that we made? Now they are just memories slowly to fade. We were so in love, or so I believed, but now you are gone and I am deceived. The dreams we shared, now dust in the air. I thought we were forever, but you didn't care. I remember your smile, it lit up the night. I thought it was fate, everything felt right. You said you would stay, never left me behind, but now you are gone, I'm losing my mind. The plans we made, the places we would see, now it's just memories haunting me. You walked out the door, took my heart too, left me here wondering what did I do. The laughter we shared now echoes in pain. I gave you my love, but I'm left in pain. I built as a future, a place to stand tall. Now I'm just me, nothing at all. Now I see the truth, it's crystal clear. You never loved me, you were just near. It was all a game, never real, never true. Now I'm left alone without a clue. I tried to hold on, but I slipped away. Now I stand alone with nothing to say. You found someone new, I'm left in the past, but I will move on, making the heart last. You said I was you, world, you were everything, but now it feels I was just a fling. All the time spent trying to make it right. Was it all a lie or just blind sight? You moved on quick like it didn't matter. Well, I still here watching it shatter. I thought love was real, thought it was true, but now I'm left questioning, was it me or you? All the moments we had now feel so small. You left me hanging like I had no call. I fought for us, tried to understand, but now I'm sinking in quicksand. Why did you fall apart? Where did you go wrong? Our love was a melody, but it was too long. What happened to the promises that we made? Now they are just memories slowly to fade. We were so in love, or so I believed, but now you are gone and I'm deceived. The dreams we shared, now dust in the air. I thought you were forever, but you didn't care. I can't forget how you held me tight, but now your absence haunts me at night. I look at our pictures, but they feel so fake, like I'm living a nightmare and they won't, I can't shake. Your voice still calls, but I'm left in the pain. I try to move on, but I'm stuck in pain. I gave you my heart, but you took it all. Now I stand here feeling so small. Was it my fault or was it your choice? I thought love was the louder voice, but now it's silent, nothing to say. I'm trying to move on, but lost my way. I'm done with the pain, done with the lies, done with the tears and all the goodbyes. I will rise from the ashes, find my path, heal my heart, escape the wrath. You had very reasons, I'm sure it's true, but now it's over, we are through. I will learn from it, I will grow strong. I will move forward where I belong. I'll remember the love, but let it go. I will walk away from the pain in the glow. I was good, well it lasted, but now it's gone. I will rebuild myself and carry on. The chapter's closed, but the new one will rise. I will find my peace, no more goodbyes. The love we had was real, but it's past. I will leave it behind and make my heart last. Why did we fall apart? Where did we go wrong? Our love was a melody, but it was too long. What happened to the promises that we made? Now they are just memories slowly to fade. We were so in love, or so I believed, but now we were gone and I'm deceived. The dreams we shared, now dust in the air. I thought we were forever, but you didn't care. Yeah, you didn't care. You didn't care. Yeah, you didn't care.